And there's a quick forecast for the temperatures and precip for the next 3 days for your Memorial Day weekend for parts of Florida and the Southeast. I already did a forecast for Georgia, but you see this here, real field temperatures in Sarasota approaching 100 degrees. This is apparent temperature, how it feels on the skin. 102 at 1 p.m. today, which is only a few hours from now. Okay. Now we get into the evening hours, it cools off at 93, 7 p.m. Pretty brutal here. Okay. Overnight hours doesn't even get below. This is 1 a.m. in Miami. Holy crap. 90 degrees still. Downtown Miami, Florida, West Palm Beach, 88. See, in the 70s over here, Miami, 90 degrees. If you live in Miami, I'm going to have to get some more details for this area because that doesn't look right. But now we get in the 4 a.m. time frame, it cools off some, but initially here, 10 p.m., it's still 90 degrees at 8 p.m. here. Crazy stuff, okay? Enough about that. Cooling off in the 70s overnight, right? In the morning hours, still very hot right along the coastline here, the east coast of Florida. Warming up very quickly here. By 10 a.m., it's already feels like 90 some degrees in most of the state, okay? In the afternoon hours tomorrow, near 100 degrees real feel. Even in Key West, no relief here. There's no relief down even on the Key West and down in Bahamas into Cuba, 100 degrees. My goodness. If you have to go out to the beach, you better be right on the beach and hopefully the sea breeze will cool off some. But you go into the overnight hours again, very hot down here. Key West, 90. I mean, this is crazy temperatures, okay? Then we go on to Monday. That heat builds back into the southeast some. You see where the hottest temperatures are still here, 100 degrees. I mean, it's going to be miserable. If you want to go to the theme parks here, I would not recommend it, okay? It is going to be brutal out here. If you, Jesus, man, sorry. But anyway, going into Tuesday night, into Monday night and Tuesday, still very hot here in the overnight hours. As far as precip goes for the Florida Peninsula and the surrounding area, we're starting off the day today, 10 a.m. Some storms here may be ongoing in the northern part of Florida. The storm moved to the north and east. Then we get maybe some shower and storms start forming here in the favored areas. We have some sea breeze convergence going on in the central part of the state, which it happens almost daily here. Wherever you get these storms, they'll likely cool off. All right, so that'll be good, right? The storms looks like to be concentrated in the central part of the state here in the morning hours into tomorrow. Maybe get some storms right offshore here along the Space Coast as a boundary sets up here. And we have this deep southerly flow continue to bring moisture into the area. And then again, the evening hours still storms forming here, just like happens almost every day in Florida. And the overnight hours, and this is where this model ends. HRR. So let's go to the NAM 3 kilometer. Doesn't really show a heck of a lot at 8 a.m. on Monday. Doesn't really show much in the evening hours either in Florida into Monday afternoon. So Monday looks to be a day where you're not going to get a heck of a lot of rainfall here in Florida. Okay, so today and tomorrow looks to be the most impactful as far as rain goes. Maybe get some relief where these storms pop up. Hopefully they won't happen in the middle of the day and then the sun come back out because it'll feel even worse. So I would plan on going to the beaches if you can do that. Stay in the water, and you get the sea breeze, maybe help you out here, right? But part of the problem is there's a rip current risk. So if you're going to go in the water, only wade like ankle deep just to cool off, or just lay there in the shallows. Don't attempt to go too far out. All right, because I'm sure they got signs posted to keep you from doing that. But if you go to an unmonitored area, don't attempt to go out in the surf. Okay, be smart about it. It's a holiday weekend. Enjoy it, but don't risk your life. All right. Be safe out there. Have a great day.